When I started this day today, not even in my wildest of dreams that I thought this day is going to end on such a high note. If you are asking me why or thinking why, that's because the world's two most happening superstars, super duper actors, the artists, they are back together again. I am short of words. I'm simply going to watch the teaser with you and then we'll talk more about it. The movie's name is Patriot. So without further ado, let's get started. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
അച്ഛൻ പറഞ്ഞ് ഞാൻ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഒരു കാലത്ത് ഇവർ ഒരുമിച്ച് നിയന്ത്രിച്ചതാണ് ഈ രാജ്യം. ഇത്രയും കാലം കൊണ്ട് അവർ നേടിയത് ഫോളോവേഴ്സിനെ അല്ല, ഫെയ്ത്ത്, വിശ്വാസം.
Mammootty! Here he
They are
is.
going to bring social scourge people. മൊത്തം 3 പേരുണ്ട്.
Who would have known? Mohanlal, Fahad. Oh my God. Oh, Kunchako
Student laptop
Boban.
scheme lead program.
Nayantara.
Is that similar to
My
Periscope?
goodness, Revati.
ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാം അവരെ സീക്രട്ട്ലി വാച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്.
Oh, she's also there. Darshana, yeah?
അവർ വീണ്ടും ഒന്നിച്ചാൽ എന്താവും വിഘ്നേഷൻ അറിയോ?
Seems to be a thriller.
ബ്ലാസ്റ്റ്.
What? Are they raw?
Tell him to complete the
Oh,
sentence.
wow.
Great Indian traitor or patriot?
Patriot always. I think it's over. What a star-studded teaser. I mean, my heart is still pounding, and only true Mohanlal and Mammootty fan can understand that. Not only that, the other actors, the other star cast, we have Kunchako Boban, we have Fahad Fasil, we have Revati, we have Nayantara. What starring! What casting. I really loved it. The teaser is quite intense, that what I felt. Didn't show much of what was happening, but nonetheless, to see these two superstars together, it's like a dream come true. I know they have worked in the past together, but to be very frank, this would be my first movie that I'll watch. This is my first time that I'm looking at them together, and I cannot tell you the happiness that I feel right now. If you talk about Mammootty, I mean, he's aging in reverse. He looks so handsome. He's versatile. Every time he reinvents himself. I think it's been a while and he's back, and I kept looking at him. Then my attention was taken by Mohanlal as well. Mohanlal is my ultimate favorite, and the way this actor conducts himself, the way this actor commands on the screen, I enjoyed it a lot. I loved the teaser. As I said, nothing much is given, but with the background score, the action sequences, I mean, my eyes were glued to this teaser. The last movie where they were together was released in 2008, and the movie's name was 2020. After so many years, they are back together, and I think that is because of the director of the movie. The director of the movie is Mahesh Narayanan. He is a well-known face in Malayalam film industry. There are movies like See You Soon, Malik that he has done, and now I am waiting for this trailer to get released or the movie to get released and to see it on the big screen. If you talk about the background score is given by Sushin. I don't know much about him, but the work that he has done in the teaser is brilliant. It's holding the complete teaser together. You wouldn't realize where that 1 minute and 24 second went. I don't know if it's aura of Mohanlal or the brilliance of Mammootty, but there is something very special about this teaser. I think this is it with my teaser. If you like my reaction, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If possible, please do subscribe to me and keep watching. I will see you next time. Until then, bye bye.